Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome when your search engine keeps changing to Yahoo. This is a common issue that can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through 3 different methods to resolve it. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the main menu. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you do this, a submenu will appear. From that submenu, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can see all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Now, this is an important step. Take a moment to carefully review all the extensions listed on this page. Look for any extensions that you don't remember downloading or anything that seems suspicious or unfamiliar. Sometimes malicious extensions can sneak into your browser and change your search engine settings without your permission. If you spot any extension that looks out of place or that you definitely didn't install yourself, simply click the Remove button next to it to delete it from your browser. This alone might solve your problem. Next, let's move on to the second method. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner again, and this time select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust various browser configurations. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for and click on Search Engine. This section controls which search engine Chrome uses when you type queries into the address bar. Once you're in the search engine section, you'll see your current default search engine displayed. Next to it, there should be a button or drop-down menu labeled Manage Search Engines or Change. Click on it and you'll see a list of available search engines including Google, Yahoo, Bing, and others. From this list, select Google as your preferred search engine. After selecting it, make sure to click Set as Default. This ensures that Google becomes your primary search engine and Yahoo won't take over again. Now, if the problem persists even after trying those 2 methods, we have a third and more comprehensive solution. Still in the settings page, look at the left side menu again and scroll down until you find Reset Settings. Click on it to access the reset options. This section allows you to restore Chrome to its original state, which can fix persistent issues caused by unwanted changes or corrupted settings. You'll see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click on this option, and a confirmation window will pop up explaining what will be reset. This includes your Startup page, New Tab page, Search Engine, and Pinned tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data, but your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will remain intact. Once you've read through the information, click the Reset Settings button to confirm. Chrome will then restore itself to its default configuration, which should completely eliminate the Yahoo search engine issue. And that's it, you've successfully fixed the problem of Google Chrome's search engine changing to Yahoo. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.